Most people just type at AI. This free course teaches you to think with it. Lesson 3, AI Fluency, Framework and Foundations. We will cover the famous 4D framework, a real example, sample exam questions, and the certificate. AI Fluency, Framework, and Foundations is a free Anthropic Academy course, built with Professors Rick Dakin and Joseph Feller. Sign up with an email, finish in about 2 hours, and earn an official certificate for LinkedIn. It is for everyone, no coding. First, what is AI Fluency? It is the ability to work with AI effectively, efficiently, ethically, and safely. Not memorizing prompts, but a mindset. The course captures it in 4 skills, the 4Ds. Meet the 4Ds. Delegation, deciding what to hand to AI. Description, telling it clearly what you want. Discernment, judging the output. And diligence, using AI responsibly. Together they form one complete working habit. Here is the loop in action. You delegate a task, describe it clearly, then discern whether the result is good, and loop back if it is not. Diligence runs through every step, keeping you accountable. 2Ds up close. Delegation is choosing the right task and deciding whether AI should help at all. Description is prompt craft, give the role, the goal, the format, and the context, so the AI knows exactly what you mean. The other 2. Discernment is critically checking the output for accuracy, bias, and gaps, never trusting it blindly. Diligence is the ethics layer, be transparent that AI helped, protect data, and own the final result yourself. How to study it? After each module, take one real task from your week and run it through all 4Ds. Write down where it broke. The skill lives in the practice, not in re-watching the video. Sample question 1. Which D is about judging whether an AI's output is actually good and trustworthy? A. Delegation. B. Discernment. C. Diligence. The answer is B. Discernment. Sample question 2. You used AI to draft a report. Being transparent about that and owning the result is which D? The answer is diligence, the responsibility and ethics skill. The course has short knowledge checks, no fee, and no proctor, so your certificate is issued the moment you finish. Enroll free at anthropic.skilljar.com. Follow for the next lesson, Claude Code 101.